So dear student, as I told to you yesterday that I will start the exercise 5.4. So this time the exercise 5.4 of the chapter continuity and differentiability, and basically this exercise is two more formulas are used. One is d over dx e to power x, its value is e to power x, and d over dx log x, its value is 1 over x. Okay, so question number 1, e to power x over sin x. Now you can see this is in the fraction form. When the differentiation of any fraction form, then y equal to, we just let e to power x over sin x. D over dx, the fractional form means denominator d over dx of the numerator minus numerator and d over dx of the denominator upon denominator whole square. So sin x d over dx of e to power x minus e to power x d over dx of sin x over sin x whole square. Sin x will remain same, e to power x, it will remain e to power x. Clear? Minus e to power x, and sin x is converted into the cos x, and you can see that e to power x is common, so we will take the common e to power x, the sin x minus cos x over sin square x. This is your answer. In other hand, when we are discussing about the question number 2, y equal to e to power sin inverse x. Okay, so first of all we will solve e to power x equal to e to power x, means same as it is. So d over dx, dy over dx, d over dx e to power sin inverse x. E to power anything is remains same, so that its value is e to power sin inverse x. Now we will apply the chain rule, and now we will differentiate to the sin inverse x. So d over dx sin inverse x, and you know the value of sin inverse x is 1 over 1 minus x square. We just write here e sin inverse x. Now multiply it to d over dx e to power sin inverse x over 1 minus x square. Clear? Pause the video and note down. And now the question number 3. Question number 3 is y equal to e to power x cube. It is very simple. So d over dx e to power x cube. E to power x cube will remain same, but by the chain rule we will again differentiate d over dx e to x cube. So x cube will 3x square, so it becomes 3x square e to power x cube. It's your answer. Clear? Now the question number 4. Yes, y equal to sin tan inverse e to power minus x. So dy over dx, to sin all the things behave just like a theta. So sin theta, its value is cos theta. So cos and theta is tan inverse e to power minus x. And now we will differentiate d over dx, this theta, tan inverse e to power minus x. Tan inverse e to power minus x. Now this thing just like an angle. Okay, suppose this one is theta. So tan inverse theta is 1 over 1 plus theta square. So cos inverse tan inverse cos tan inverse e to power minus x we will write as it is, and this value tan inverse e to power minus x, so 1 over 1 plus x square, means whatever tan with the tan inverse x square, here x value is e to power minus x, e to power minus x whole square. And now this is remain, so again d over dx e to power minus x. So we will write as it is, cos tan inverse e to power minus x, 1 over 1 plus, multiply it e to power minus 2x. Now it will remain same, e to power minus x, and now d over dx, this minus x, and its value is minus 1. Rest of the we will write as it is, means cos tan inverse e to power minus x 1 over 1 plus e to power minus 2x as it is e to power minus x, and this value is minus 1. And now minus multiply the whole, so all become minus. It become minus e to power minus x, 1 plus e to power minus 2x, and cos tan inverse e to power minus x. Clear? And now in the same consequence we are going to explain the question number 5. 10 questions consist this exercise 5.4. So question number 5, y equal to log cos e to power x. As I told to you, the d over dx of log x equal to 1 upon x. So dy over dx, so d over dx log cos e to power x, and whatever the log are just written after the log, it become 1 upon. So it become 1 upon cos e to power x. And now this is left. So d over dx cos e to power x. And we know that the value of cos e to power x, differentiation of cos e to power x, it is minus. Cos become minus sign theta, and theta is e to power x. Now this one is left, d over dx e to power x. E to power x will remain same, minus e to power x sin e to power x cos e to power x in denominator. Sin upon cos, angle is same, it is tan. So minus e to power x, and it become tan e to power x. Clear? So the differentiation of log cos e to power x is minus e to power x tan e to power x. Pause the video and note down.